Yeah, we're back at this again. Instead of my top 25, I'm going to do top 50 because I did a poll on Instagram and that's what most of you seem to have wanted. And at this point in time, I've ridden 249 coasters, so this is going to be the top echelon of them. I will also be including the previous ranking of last year. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Coming in at number 50, we have Comet at Hershey Park. Previously not ranked. Previously unranked. This coaster is a nice, fun, old wooden classic coaster that I really enjoy. I hope to keep it around for years to come so more people can enjoy this coaster. Coming in at number 49, we have Screaming Eagle at Six Flags St. Louis. Previously ranked 46. Yet another classic, old, wooden roller coaster. This one's really smooth and has several airtime moments and some lateral moments. In all in general, just a fun, classic ride. I really hope they keep really good care of this thing and keep it around for years to come. Coming in at number 48, we have Max Force at Six Flags Great America. Previously ranked 33rd. This coaster is known for one thing, and pretty much one thing only, and that is the launch. Although I don't rank it very high, it's still my favorite launch on any of the roller coasters I've ridden, and is one of the very few coasters that makes me a little nervous before the launch. Coming in at number 47, we have Tennessee Tornado at Dollywood. Previously ranked 29th. Really nice aero looper coaster that doesn't really have the aero jankiness, but it's still really fun aero, old school aero that I really enjoy. Number 46, we have our only defunct coaster on this. Yes, I'm including them. Deal with it. Vortex at Kings Island. Previously ranked 28th. My personal favorite aero looper coaster that I ever rode. I really enjoy this. It's forceful. It does have the aero jank, but I don't mind it. I didn't get any of the roughness that some people claim it is. I miss it. Coming in at number 45, we have Talon at Dorney Park. Previously not ranked. A terrific B&M invert that I found quite enjoyable and criminally underrated, as no one really seems to talk about it. It's fun, it's got some force, it's all in all a very good ride. Coming in at number 44, we have Thunderbird at Hollyworld, previously ranked 26th. It's a nice launched wing coaster, but it definitely gets overshadowed by two other coasters that are higher up on this list. I really enjoy it. It's a shame it doesn't get as much love as the other two. Coming in at number 43, we have Thunderbolt at Kennywood, previously not ranked. This coaster does pretty much one thing, and that's the laterals. It has some of the best laterals I ever ridden. Coming in at number 42, we had King Rock's favorite coaster, Zippin' Pippin, previously ranked 24th. This coaster is pretty much only known for one moment at the very end of the ride, and it also has a bunch of floater airtime that's pretty nice. It's all in all nice, fun wooden roller coaster that I probably underrated a bit here. Coming in at 40 and 41, we have American Eagle Red Side and Blue Side, previously ranked 30 and 48th. Yeah, I decided to change it up a little bit with now ranking them close together. All in all, I really enjoy this coaster. It's got some airtime. It's got crazy laterals on the helix, although the trims do kind of kill it a little bit near the end. But if it's for longevity, I'm for it because I really want them to keep this coaster the way it is. And do not RMC it. Keep RMC far, far away. Coming in at number 39, we have Phoenix at Knoebels. Previously not ranked. Yeah, everyone largely overrates this coaster in my opinion. It's fun. It's got airtime. That's kind of like a car crash in a way. But if you've ridden any Buzz Bar coaster, they're pretty much the same if they're focused on airtime. It's still pretty good, but overrated. Coming at number 38, we have Monster at Adventureland. Previously ranked 23rd. This Cursed Hour is pretty fun. Got some airtime, positives, hang time. All in all, it's a really solid coaster. But there are many better ones I enjoy than it. Coming at number 37, we have Jackrabbit at Kennywood. Previously not ranked. This roller coaster has one moment in the ride where you literally will see God. You have that much ejector airtime on it. It is crazy how it's legal where you don't even have much of any restraint at all. Yeah, you should go and ride this. It's very good. Coming in at number 36, we have Dominator at Kings Dominion. Previously not ranked. This roller coaster is very solid, floorless. Is one of my go-tos if another coaster that's higher up on this list is not running. 35, we have Steel Curtain at Kennywood. Previously not ranked. Yeah, this S&S looping coaster is pretty fun. There's some forests. Airtime Hill doesn't really deliver, but the inversions are fun. It's not repetitive. I thoroughly enjoy it, even though I'm not that big of a Steelers fan. Coming in at number 34, we have Lost Coaster Superstition Mountain at Indiana Beach. Previously ranked 25th. This roller coaster is one thing, fun. I don't really know how to describe it that well, other than it's got airtime, laterals, throws you around a lot. It's the most fun you could probably have on a roller coaster. It's incredible. You should ride it even if it has a 3-hour line. Coming at number 33, we have Verbolton at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Previously not ranked. Yeah, this roller coaster is a lot of fun. I enjoyed my rides on it. I really hope to go back and ride it one day because it's fun. It's got some force. The launches are great, and the surprise halfway through. Coming in number 31 and 32, we have Batman Ride at Six Flags St. Louis and Six Flags Great America. Previously ranked 20 and 21. These Batman clones are forceful, a lot of whip, and compact and all in general. Just tries to rip your feet off, and that I really enjoy. Coming in at number 30, we have Fahrenheit at Hershey Park. Intamin's take on Gerstlauer Infinity Coaster. I really enjoyed this. It's got some airtime. It's got a lot of inversions. And in general, it's a fun, compact, intimate coaster that I don't see that many people talk about this. It is overshadowed by the other intimates at Hershey Park. Coming in number 29, we had the most chilling coaster on this list, Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast at Six Flags St. Louis, previously ranked 19th. This coaster is really kind of cool. It launches backwards, it's got a good amount of force, and Premier sound is very intimidating, and it's one of the top 5 roller coaster sounds that I enjoy. If you want a list on that, comment below. Coming at number 28, we have Raptor at Cedar Point, previously ranked 22nd. People seem to hate this ride, but I don't quite understand it. Most of the rides have been pretty forceful and tried to rip my feet off, and that's why I really enjoy an invert. Coming at number 27, we have Orion at Kings Island, previously ranked 15th. There's not that much to say about this other than it's fast and very enjoyable. The area it's in is very nicely themed, but could have been a little bit better. Kings Island really has a winner here. To finish off this part of the list, at number 26, we have Stormrunner at Hershey Park. This Intamin launched coaster is very good and makes me even more bummed I missed Top Thrill Dragster, because I really enjoy this launch and the inversions and pretty much everything about this ride. So that's the end of part 1. Let me know what you think about it and if any match up in your rankings from 50 to 26. Be sure to stay tuned for next week for when I release my next top 25 coasters. A big thank you is in order to these YouTubers shown on the screen for lending me their footage. Links to their channels will be in the description.